I have learned it is so important to keep up with a walking practice for more reasons than I realized at age 64. This is a fact that I've just learned about walking, especially as we age, is that walking can actually help rebuild neurons. Help rebuild neurons. Now, as we're coming along with things like memory loss and Alzheimer's, and I'm not sure about Parkinson's, but maybe Parkinson's related dementia. If we can keep building our neurons through movement and walking, why not walk 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, an hour a day, a mile a day, 5 miles per day? You can do a lot to a little, work up to more than you're doing now. Use devices to help you, use a walker, go slowly, doesn't matter. Any movement helps. One thing I think that people need to get over when they think about walking is that they have to walk someplace extremely beautiful. As someone who's lived in a place that is not conventionally beautiful, you can walk anywhere and find it beautiful. Even if the beauty is the transformation of yourself and your health as you are walking, that is, and you are, a thing of beauty. Another reason that I like going for walks is that every time I go out for a morning walk, it's a victory. It's saying, I did it. I said yes to myself again. This is, let's see how to describe it. I just stop. I can't walk and think deep thoughts at the same time, apparently. When you say yes to yourself in the long run, which building a walking practice is, it naturally invigorates you. At least it invigorates me. It makes me feel grateful for myself for doing it. It makes me see the long run, not just the short run. It helps me to connect with others too, because there's a lot of people that are walking or who want to walk. And like me, they might have stopped walking for a long time and are thinking they might or may not be able to do it again. Well, you can you can start with 5 minutes. Start with walking around your house. YouTube has these great indoor walking videos, and I started with 1 minute videos. I'll link to one of those here. It was a 30-day challenge, starting with 1 minute, and then 2, then 3, 4, all the way up to 30. Those are so helpful. We're gonna walk over a bridge next. If I hadn't said to myself, I'm gonna go out for a walk today, I would not have discovered these places, because you cannot see from the road what you can see along this trail. It is, wow. It takes my breath away. I was reading some inspiration for walkers earlier today, and it said, motion is lotion for your joints. Another great reason to walk. I have been known to complain about my knees hurting. And usually that's because I haven't had enough water or I haven't moved enough. Motion is lotion. Walk. It will take the pain away. I know that seems strange, and it's true. If you're out walking on a sidewalk, or like I am here outside at the Colorado River and beside casinos, you'll see other early morning walkers. I love saying good morning. I love saying good morning to other people in the early morning, complete strangers. But some of the joys of walking in the early morning is you can do that. Ongoing encouragement. I have a short series called Morning Walk Diaries. Check it out. I look forward to seeing you there in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, think about it. We have a community here who ages joyfully, and we do that in many ways. One of the ways is by saying good morning love to you in daily videos. And also, of course, encouraging your walking through our playlists. And don't forget, road trips, house sitting, and just having a good time at no matter what age we happen to be. Thanks so much. The world's a better place because you are in it. Thank you so much for watching.